Hello, Lighter. A very good morning. Let's read today's news. Terrorgefahr. Terrorgefahr. Taylor Swift concert in Wien, abgesagt. So that is the headline. So Gefahr means risk. So terror, risk of terror. And Gefahr can also be used to show like dangerous. In that case, the Gefahr becomes gefährlich. The A becomes A, umlaut. So A umlaut. So terror, Gefahr. So because of risk of terror, Taylor Swift concert. Taylor Swift is a person. So the concert of Taylor Swift in Wien, abgesagt. So this abgesagt is an interesting verb. It comes from sagen. Sagen means to say, and when you add a prefix to these verbs, it will mean separation. It will mean separation or cut off. So when I am telling something, it was sage, when I tell something, when I add an ab, it becomes I do not tell something or I take back or I call off. Which means cancel. So that is how the meaning for abgesagt can be inferred. Also, Taylor Swift concert in Wien has been called off or cancelled. So, a couple of lines from the news. Wegen Terrorgefahr sind 3 Konzerte des US-Stars Taylor Swift in Wien abgesagt worden. Wegen, because of what? Terrorgefahr sind 3 Konzerte. Because it is 3 concerts, the verb sind comes and zweite Position. Wegen Terrorgefahr sind 3 Konzerte des US-Stars Taylor Swift. Des US-Star, Konzerte des US-Star. So that's a genitive here. Concert, so US-Star Taylor Swift's concert. Swift's concert. In Wien abgesagt worden. Dies gab der Konzertveranstalter Barracuda Musik bekannt. Okay, that we leave. Only the first line is enough for today. I don't want to overburden. Now you can find the news in the description. Wegen Terrorgefahr sind 3 Konzerte des US-Star Taylor Swift in Wien abgesagt worden. Has been called off. So what all we can learn here? Nummer 1 is Wortschatz. 2 is Verb in zweite Position. Nummer 3 is sind is coming because of multiple. 3 Konzerte und abgesagt using the prefix ab. With the prefix ab, there is one more interesting thing. The prefix ab also can denote the starting point. Ich muss ab Montag arbeiten. I have to start my work from Monday. So that is a starting point, and that doesn't mean cut off or a negative meaning. So that ab is not a preposition, it comes standalone. So we should be clear with usage of both the things. But don't confuse too much. If you're not getting it, not an issue. Deutsch is sehr einfach. You can get it as you practice it. Okay, that is for today, and I'll be uploading videos on Huron for listening practice along with some questions from the audio. So if you want to train your ears, then you can start looking out that video in the channel. There will be in 2 minutes, there will be a 30 seconds audio followed by few questions from the audio. So that would help you to prepare for the Huron exam. Okay, wir treffen uns im nächsten Video. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.